Good evening, my dear friend. Today we will discuss how to do Power Pivot. So, firstly, let's discuss what is the Power Pivot and why we need Power Pivot. So, Power Pivot is the advanced function of the Power Pivot. So, in Power Pivot, you can summarize all large data in and you can analyze all the functional things which is difficult in Power Pivot, like financial modeling and all the things. And you can combine the data together in Power Pivot. So here, like, let's assume here is one table. Okay, here is customer information like customer ID, company name, contact number, contact titles, address, city, postal code, region, and country and phone number. And here is order info, which is related to the customer, like here. So if we have to merge two data together and create one summarized data, so we can use Power Pivot. And now next point is how we can activate Power Pivot. So in like after 2010 Microsoft, so you can access this function. So here, how to activate this one. So firstly you have to go in file section, then you have to select options. After options we have to go add ins. So in add-ins we have to select in manage we have to select com add-ins, then we have to click on go button. After that we have to click Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. So if we okay, so it automatically opens here. So we can get the access of the Power Pivot after doing all the following step. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we will discuss the further step of the Power Pivot. Have a good day.